Okay, we're back with another little video here. First off, I want to show off my man's soldering skills. We added a new battery pack so we didn't have to keep plugging it into power here. Added a battery pack, and my man did a good soldering job here. As with everybody's first solder job, he went with the blob method. The bigger the blob, the better the job. Not always true, but works great in this one. This is not coming apart. So we're going to use this for power. Alright, so what we did, went out Radio Shack with our man's shopping list. While we were there, picked up a passive infrared motion sensor, and we're going to play with it for our next experiment here. Real simple little design. You got your motion sensor here. Has 3 pins: ground, voltage, and output. It's I think it's 5 volts. It'll do 3 to 5 volts. So my man Lane here is going to hook this up for us. He's going to wire it to our breadboard, and I've already wrote a program, but right now this has our old program. We've just taken out the switch, so he's going to wire it up for us.
Well, we got this sensor right here, and we're going to put it anywhere on right here. And you got to remember where these 3 things are. This is voltage in the middle, and this one right here, I think is.
It says on the back. First pin is ground.
Oh, ground, yeah, ground and voltage. So you can put this anywhere, but okay. And now we're going to put the blue wire in first, and
that's going to which pin?
It's going to go into the first pin, but I'm just going to put it two or three rows behind it, so it won't stand up against it. And then we'll put it right here to ground. Okay. Here's voltage, and it'll go to the second pin. And this will go to power. Sorry, my cold. It's not feeling it.
Alright. And then your white wire there.
And then my white wire.
That's your output.
That's my output, yeah. And it'll go to here.
And I've got it programmed for digital 3.
And this is right.
Other side, where your fingers are. Remember, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it'll be the 4th one. Alright. So with that done, this essentially is replacing our button we had. So with the program it has right now, when we apply power to it and turn our battery pack on, it's going to wait for a few seconds. Got to get some calibrate here, and that's just as if we pushed the button before. So what we've done now, I've went ahead and went out to the website. I'm going to hand this back to Lane here. Went out to the website, to the Arduino website. First time we've ever dealt with this motion sensor, so I kind of took some code off of there, modified it a little bit, and as you can see here, can you see the code on the screen?
Yeah.
Alright. Basically, we've set up the infrared sensor to pin 3, and I've wrote a couple of different little loops here for or methods here. Show motion light, because we want the red light to come on anytime it's sensing any motion that it's in the motion loop. Hide motion just says when you don't have any, when there's no voltage coming through the sensor, turn that light off. So, and then we've got show lights, show all lights, show all lights, and hide all lights. Show all lights and hide all lights, all that does is, as we're calibrating, waiting for our motion sensor to calibrate, it's going to light up all the lights. When that goes off, then we know our sensor's ready. So here we've got our loop. Show if we get voltage onto the sensor, which means it's seeing movement. We're going to do show motion light, which is going to blink the green lights. No, I'm sorry, it's going to show the red light. And then do show lights, which is blinking the green lights. And it's going to wait 5 seconds and way down here, and if it's going to wait 5 seconds before it takes its next motion event here. Also, we've got serial output, so we know we can watch it on the serial monitor. So right now we're going to go ahead and hook it up and send our little program over. Plug it in. We'll get power here. And go over here and let's send this program to the board. Yeah, it just picked up. It's compiling our sketch now. And in a minute you'll see one of the green lights blink. Yep, it just uploaded. So now we're going to go over here to our program and go to serial monitor. And as you can see, it's calibrating the sensor. And all of our lights are on, like we said, during calibration. When those lights go off, our sensor is ready. And it should be any second now. I probably made that calibration time a little bit too long. It'll probably be cut in half. Okay, done. Sensor is active. As you can see over here in our serial monitor, sensor is active. Now be perfectly still, as it's already picked you up. Okay, we're no longer got a motion event. I just moved my hand. You saw that it's running its program. It's running again because it sees lane moving here. That'll be perfectly still, and in 5 seconds, there we go. That's our circuit. So, cool, have fun. We'll see y'all next time.